wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come a shot a selector.
What's good, YouTube gang? We back in this bitch with another banger video. You already know what time it is, gang. Yeah, y'all always see what we dealing with. Today we back in the video with none other than Mr. V6, Mr. Vanilla Card himself. You already know what we talking about. We're talking about Malie Donn. Yeah, man. And gang, yo, I don't know if y'all been seeing what's going on lately in the media with Malie Donn. Lately, he been caught up in some controversy with some girl and stuff online. So there's all speculation where he got incarcerated. But it seems like he got released, but it seems like, you know, certain things went down. Apparently in this song, I see, apparently he threw shade at another artist and this artist and the whole artist diss him back out. The artist I-OCtane and thing, and apparently, you know, I-OCtane and diss him, all that shit. So we're gonna check out and see what's going on with the beef. You see me? I check out the music and see what's going on. Apparently this is the song that started it all, called Forfeit. I'm gonna check it out. This is Malie Donn and Chings Record, Forfeit. You see me? I see what I do. Apparently this is the song that started the whole beef between him and I-OCtane. You see me? I see. So we'll check it out and see what's going on. We don't have to hold up the vibes much longer, gang. You see me? So we're there for your vibes and the energy, you know. We're there for all that, you know what I'm saying? So we're jumping and see what's going on, man. You see me? We're not gonna go all over. This is Malie Donn, Chings Record, Forfeit. Let's get it.
Stuck in the game, I know me now forfeit. Stuck in my ways, I gotta still send me a dog shit.
Stuck in my ways, I mean now forfeit. Stuck in my ways, I gotta still send me a dog. Yeah.
Stuck in the game, I know me now forfeit. Me now forfeit.
Come in.
Stuck in the game, I know me now forfeit. Stuck in my ways, I gotta still send me a dog shit. Chip stuck in my ways, I'm all classic. Future bright, but me stuck in the darkness.
Man, I like Malie Donn tune them how they be starting off, man. Like, you always give the ambience before the song kick in. You see me I say? Yeah, man, no, the dog. Intros them be crazy.
In the darkness, when I forfeit, when I forfeit.
Can I ring them there while we are at dog? To Malie. Dog, the Illuminati are gone. You know, your blood clean. What do you think the basis, bro?
Come here, Sophie, Winnie, me no silly panny bread. Pussy never with me, put a milli panny head. From your DC pitney with the chip in my feet. Drop a brick in a she pussy, call me sick in a me head.
Oh, you mean, man, come here, Winnie, me no silly panny bread. You see me, you pussy silly, put a milli panny in him head. Alright, come on.
Mama me sick in a me head. Smell liquid her pussy, wetty pussy dripping and she leg. If you get in a me, we a marrow see the wall today. Paint it like a Mona Lisa, and she start for friend. Me no afraid of people, I just feel it, I'm one fear. Enemy them out, so for me glad near. Gal them no stop cheer, my bitch them a top tier. I wonder what.
Yeah, man, enemy here, so me glad near. Gal them a bad bitch and they no stop cheer. Come on.
Yes, him up by my beer. Tire busting at the road, the Benz no have spear. Rim it and go buy a new one, cause it not that dear. Me no freak, me no acting, my flyer, me no god plane.
Okay, so that's the line. Man say Ben, what say man say Ben's tire bus and rim it kinda that dear. Fly. I say yo, girl me no freak and acting and fly every day. I'm in a okay, so that's the line that we pull it up, gang. We pull it up. So that's the line that started it all.
Go buy a new one, cause it not that dear. Me no freak, me no acting, my flyer, me no god plane. Living at the trap. Me go buy a new.
Yeah, man, gang, right that, man. Boom, shots fired. Shots fired right there, someone. You see me? I say, okay, me no freak, me no acting. Boom, bad. Blood. Alright, damn, bro. So that's the way we'll kick it off right there, so, yo. Damn, you see me? Hey, I'll be vexed too. I'm gonna call me name on next song. I talk about me a freak and them thing there. You see me? I say. So that yeah. So I see why all that shit started. You know what I'm saying, man? Yo, that's crazy, yo, gang. Hey, shit.
One cause it not that dear. Me no freak, me no acting, my flyer, me no god plane. Living at the trap, babes.
Me no freak, me no acting, my flyer, me no god plane. You know, up to me living at the trap, babes. Alright, so that's why I acted my dog. Damn, bro. But hey, acted and he get caught for some freak thing I go on, you know what I'm saying? So she
stuck in the game, you know me now.
Stuck in
my ways, I girl still send me a dark shit. Chip tuck in my waist, I'm with clock it. Future bright, but I'm stuck in the darkness. Mount a carrot, now my chain that you call drip. A bag of gal, I bring it pussy to the artist. No love in me heart, I be rice in me arteries.
Damn, man, why nobody not love them? What from what I mean? I be a that, this is one of my pre. Oh, go on, dog.
New level that, you know my God. Who said I cash enough for stock? True friends stabbing on my back. Now I 2 Benz trapping at the lot. $500,000.
When you say true friends stabbing in my back, who that? Say $500,000 in a lot. You see me, I say, I remember you know. How should I remember you sell him out?
But 2 cent that in my back. Like a fool, I same bad. Well, that is just a cat. Make that skull, I sell him out. Well, that I just a chat shop. And no weed to the cat. Knock your own mama pussy fat. Stuck in the game, I am.
I say no week to girl, I'm the fat, eh? Yeah, you mean
stuck in my ways, a girl still send me a dark shit. Chip tuck in my waist, I'm with clotting. Future bright, but I'm stuck in the darkness. Mount a carrot, now my chain that you call drip. A bag of gal, I bring it pussy to the artist. No love in me heart, I be rice in me arteries.
Jaja. Easy, no? Because. So this is the song start tall. This is the song start tall. Easy no. Easy no. Malie Donn pandem man. Easy no. Alright, me see what I go on. You see me gang. One thing about it one day. Yeah man, Malie say yo, bomba be my tire pop, so my rim it kind of that dear. Make me man very irritated, man. I'm a freak, man. I'm acting, fly every day. I'm in a God play, believe in that the trap beat. Yeah. So that's why I'm acting mad. I think acting vexed up because it look like acting is did I listen to Malie? Cause you know hear about the tune there before. Yeah, see as the song they drop, it look like acting hear about the dog. Like that's somebody sending me. You see me, I say, you see me, our dog, they listen to Malie before, you know what I'm saying, but you see me, so, but yeah, man, me like acting, and this dog up now, and the dog make a tune, so we want to check out that one as well. Check out Acting Reply Gang, so look out for that one as well, man. It's crazy what's going on. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. When you think Malie and Acting can war? You think Malie and Acting can war? Who you think would win? Let me know in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this video, man. If you think it's dope and thing, you know what I'm saying, if it's that this was that bad, and you know what I'm saying, like let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. And if you like it, if you gonna show the artists some love and support, make them know it's Jambisco and send you know how we do it over here, man, gang. Yeah man, and we keep it moving and pushing, you know what I'm saying. Yeah man, dope track, Malie, big up yourself. Me don't know how you acting I go work this out. You see me if not go war or what, but you know, we don't know. Is this a war that dancehall needed or what? You know what I'm saying? And who did y'all think win? Let me know in the comment section, gang. Till next time, I don't know my boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.